In a deep forest, two squirrels named Chulbul and Bulbul lived. Their best friend was a rabbit, and the three of them played and spent joyful times together. In the same forest lived a clever and cunning fox. The fox wanted to catch and eat the rabbit but could never catch it because the rabbit was too fast. One day, the fox noticed how close the rabbit was with the squirrels. It came up with a clever plan. The fox started talking kindly to the squirrels and slowly became their friend. The squirrels, thinking the fox was good, began to trust it. After gaining their trust, the fox started asking about the rabbit, where it lived and what it did each day. The fox also took the information on the rabbit friends, whom all the rabbit meets and which all the places the rabbit goes. The squirrels, not knowing the fox's true plan, told everything about their friend. Now the fox had all the information about the rabbit, so it planned to catch the rabbit next early morning. The next day, the rabbit went to its usual place to find food. The fox was hiding inside the bushes waiting for the rabbit eagerly. As rabbit was busy trying to find its food unaware of the fox's presence. Suddenly the fox caught the rabbit, making it its prey. One of the squirrel saw what had happened. She was completely shocked and was filled with regret. "I've broken my friend's trust," she thought sadly. She went to the fox and said, "You tricked me and hurt my friend. I don't want to be your friend anymore," said the Chulbul. The fox laughed and replied, "If you couldn't keep your friend's secret, how can you ever be a true friend to anyone?" While the fox was busy showing off and talking, the other squirrel Bulbul quickly helped the wounded rabbit escape. When the fox realized this, it became furious and tried to attack the squirrels and catch the rabbit again. But luckily, all three friends managed to escape safely. Squirrels felt deeply sorry and apologized to the rabbit and to all the animals in the forest. They promised never to trust strangers too easily again and to always protect their friends and keep their secrets safe. The rabbit accepted the squirrel's apology, but the wound ran too deep. The trust that had once been a gentle companion was now a shattered memory, and no matter how hard it tried, the rabbit could no longer bring itself to believe in anyone. The weight of betrayal had left a scar that even time couldn't heal, and with each passing moment, the rabbit's heart grew more guarded, more distant. Moral: choose your friends wisely. True friendship is built on trust. Be careful who you trust, and always protect your friends and their secrets. Loyalty is earned through actions, not words. Stand by them in moments of need, and they'll stand by you in return. Remember, real friends lift you up, not tear you down.